Okay, so hello.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening. So can you introduce a little bit of yourself?
Okay. Hello, my name is Gia Linh. I'm from I'm from Hà Nội City. I'm 9 years old. The school name Đặng Trần Côn. My my family has 6 members. My grandpa, my grandma, my father, mom, sister, and me.
Oh, okay, nice. Anything else?
Hết rồi cô.
Okay. So, so darling, what's your favorite sport? Do you like play any sports?
No.
No. So what's your favorite food?
Yes,
What is your favorite food?
my favorite food is pizza
Pizza. Anything else? And
and sushi
sushis. Okay. So, darling, how often do you eat pizza?
because
How
pizza
often?
um I have two piece of pizza.
Okay, so do you eat pizza sometimes or once a week, twice a week, or every week?
Um, I can every week.
You eat pizza every week?
Yes,
Okay, nice. So who do you eat pizza with?
with two
Who do you eat pizza with?
look me.
Do you eat pizza by yourself, only you? Do you eat pizza with your family or with your friends?
With your
With your
family and me.
with your families. Okay. So yes, the link. We come to the next task. And then you say this sentence out loud. Okay? So
Yes,
link, are you ready for a test?
yes.
Let's go.
Queen of hot chilies. Lucy was a beauty, intelligent woman. She was to be rich. She said, "I want to be a millionaire." But unfortunately, she was poor. One day, Lucy Jones, a rap game show, called "Show Me the Money." Lucy bought a facing microphone and cool clothes to get ready for the show. She tells speaking money I'll have her win. She took $6,000 out of her pocket and put the money on the table. She used all her savings to pay, but her rap wasn't good, and she lost in the first round. She was very, very poor. First, she cried. She cried, "Oh no! I lost all my money." But but then, made up her win. She put back her shoulder. She put her cheeks up and grinned. She said, "I want to become rich."
Okay, the link start. We come to me. Sorry, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, sorry. So Lucy was a beautiful, intelligent woman. She wanted to be rich.
Oh,
Okay, so was Lucy a beautiful and evil woman?
no,
No. Then she a beautiful and small woman?
no,
No, so was she a beautiful and intelligent woman?
yes.
Yes, okay. And who was a beautiful and intelligent woman?
Lucy,
Lucy. Okay, and how many words to describe Lucy?
one.
Really? Only one word? Lucy was a beautiful and intelligent woman. How many words to describe Lucy?
Mm, Six.
Okay, okay, it's two words to describe Lucy. What are those words?
A beautiful and intelligent woman.
Beautiful and intelligent. Two words. Beautiful and intelligent to describe Lucy. Okay, so does she want to be poor?
No.
No, does Lucy want to be rich?
Yes.
Yes, okay, and then she said, I want to be a singer.
No.
No, does she say, I want to be an artist?
No.
No, does she say, I want to be a rapper?
No.
No, does she say, I want to be a billionaire?
Yes.
Billion?
And no.
No, okay. So does she say, I want to be a millionaire?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so what did Lucy say?
I want to be a millionaire.
Very nice, okay. And unfortunately, what happened to Lucy?
Unfortunately, Lucy had a
Unfortunately, was Tony poor?
Lucy was a poor.
Unfortunately, she was poor. Okay, so one day did Lucy join a art game show?
No.
No, did she join a sing-song game show?
No.
No, so did she join a dance game show?
No.
So what kind of game show did Lucy join?
Lucy was a rap game show.
She joined a rap game show. And what did this rap game show call?
Show me the money.
Yes, show me money. Okay. And did she walk into the stage?
No.
No. So she walked into the toilet?
No.
No. So did she walk into the shopping mall?
Yes.
Shopping mall?
No.
No. So where did she walk into?
The show.
Really, the show? Okay. Did she walk into the audition?
The
Did she walk into the audition?
yes.
Yes. Okay. And does she have a big green on her hair?
No.
No. Did she have a big green on her nose?
No.
No. So did she have a big green on her face?
Yes.
Yes. And what is the synonym of green?
On her face.
What is the synonym of green? The synonym word of green.
It's a smile.
Smile. Yes. Yes. Right. Okay. So did she buy a small microphone?
No.
No. Did she buy a simple microphone?
No.
No. So did she buy a fancy microphone?
Yes.
Yes. What kind of microphone did Lucy buy?
It's a fancy microphone.
Fancy microphone. Okay. And did she take $5 out of her pocket?
No.
No. Did she take $3 out of her pocket?
No.
No. Did she take $6 out of her pocket?
No.
No. How many dollars does she take out of her pocket?
$6,000 of her pocket.
She took $6,000 out of her pocket. And where did Lucy put the money on?
On the table.
On the table. Yes, right. Okay, yes, darling. This is the end of the test. Okay, and see you again. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.